You want to kill some wasps today for pennies? I mean, it's not going to hardly cost you any money at all. You're not going to spray any poisons. You're not going to have any pesticides. It's really going to be something that you have in your house right now. Matter of fact, I guarantee you got it in your house right now. And I'm going to show you what it is. And we're going to kill these wasps quick. It's going to be effective. And I'm telling you, they're going to be gone. You don't have to worry about them anymore. Hey, I got a call out to this house today, and they said in their pole barn, underneath their pole barn, look at this place. This pole barn is full of stuff, you know, and they come out here to find something, to get on the lawnmower or get on the four-wheeler, you know, to get a tool or something like that. And you know what they find? They find this. Look at that. That's a wasp nest right there. And if you're allergic to wasps, guess what? You're in trouble. So, and not everybody has a can of wasp spray hanging around, but I guarantee you got this hanging around. So let's walk around this pole barn real quick, because I know that there's one wasp nest right there, and there might be others. And usually whenever I come up on a house and I find one wasp nest, there's usually multiple wasp nests around the home. So let's go check it out and let's see what we find. And then guess what? We're gonna get to killing these things, all right? And that way your home can be wasp free. Got those. Let's walk around. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, by the way, normally if you called me out to your house to do this, I'm gonna charge you 150 bucks to show up at your house to kill some wasps. But hey, this is gonna cost you pennies. So literally, you're gonna save $150 by doing it yourself. Let's walk around. There's one, that's two, that's two. There's another one. There's three. That's three wasp nests. What's in here? Man, I hope I don't run into any rats. That'd be crazy. All right, that's three. Let's see. I see another one. Four. There's four. Let's go on the other side of this pole barn. You never know where you're going. Oh, there's another one right up there. So what is that, 5 so far? 5? Where I'm at, I'm in Florida, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. It's late in the afternoon, and this is a perfect time to be killing wasps because they're all laying on their nest. They're all at their nest right now. So that way you can get every single one of them. They're all on their nest. So let's keep looking around. I'm not seeing any more. Hold on. Sometimes you see them up underneath here, up underneath the ladder. I've been stung too many times by wasps and I do not like it. Let me see what we got on the outside up here. There's one right up top there. Right there. I'm gonna have to get a ladder to get that one. You're not gonna believe what we're gonna use. When you see what we're gonna use, it's gonna, we're gonna check out up underneath this lean-to, and then we're gonna get to killing these things, and guess what? We're gonna do it together. Let's go. All right, I'm not seeing any more. That's about it. All right, you ready? Let's go do this. There's one flying around right there. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. One flying around right there. You should be at your nest right now. Got him. I got him with a towel. I got him with a towel. Look at that. Boom. See a stinger? Man, look at that thing. Didn't take him no time. I'm killing him with a towel? I'm better than I thought I was. Let's go. You see what I'm using? Dawn liquid dishwashing soap. This is it. This right here will kill wasps dead. Kills them quick. Let me tell you what. You know why Dawn liquid dishwashing soap kills wasps? It allows the water to penetrate their exoskeleton, and basically that water drowns them immediately. Drowns them. So listen, let's go kill these other 5 wasp nests with this Dawn liquid dishwashing soap and see what we got, okay? Then you can do it on your own. Boom, look. Bye-bye. Hey, we got 4 more to go. Let's do it. Bye-bye. Look at him. I'm telling you, just that easy. It's safe. You don't have to worry about any pesticides, any chemicals. It's Dawn liquid dishwashing soap. It's safe, it's easy, and it's quick. Kills them dead. Hey, we got 3 more. Okay, this is the one that I'm kind of worried about because there's a lot of them on there. And all right, if I get stung and I start screaming like a little girl, don't make fun of me, all right? Hey, if you have any feedback or anything about this video or any future videos, put them down in the comments below. I appreciate it. Up close and personal, guys. Look at them, dropping like flies. Dropping like flies. If I can do this, you can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. Come on. Dawn dishwashing soap. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna have to stand up on this box. I'm gonna have to really get close and personal with this next one. So come on. I'm standing on a bucket. Please don't stand on a bucket and kill wasps, all right? It's no bueno, okay? Only let a professional do this. Whew. I was a little worried about that one because I had to stand on that bucket. That's the bucket I was standing on. Whew. You can see how high up that wasp nest was. Hey, hashtag favor. Okay, listen, I got one more, and this one is way up high at the very top of the pole barn. So I'm gonna need to get this ladder right here. Let me get this ladder. Okay, here's my ladder. It's way up top. So I hope I can get them all. Got them. They still moving around a little bit. I got some of that soap all over the lens of the camera. Wow. Hey, but I got them all. That was a good little shot up there. But we got them all. Hey, guess what? Dishwashing soap, Dawn dishwashing soap kills wasps. It kills them fast and it gets rid of them in an efficient manner with no poisons. And guess what? It only costs you pennies. You got this dishwashing soap at your house right now. I guarantee you. You wash your dishes with it. You wash your hands with it. You got it around the house. So next time, listen, next time that you run into a wasp nest, all you need to do is get you some Dawn dishwashing soap or any of that kind of dishwashing soap. Don't have to be Dawn. Put it in a little sprayer like this and spray it on them. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy, and you don't have to worry about them getting you. You saw how close I was to the wasp. I mean, there was some massive wasp nests and I didn't get stung. I am good to go. So listen, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Don't want it to be too long, but I just want to add some value to you guys. And hey, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys, and God bless.